Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn step by step how batch process will work. So for that, you just simply navigate to Merchant tool. Inside the Merchant tool, we have a product and catalog module. Inside, just click on products. Once your page load, just click on find. Here you can select the product which you want to be update, delete or modify. You can apply advanced filter. In later we can discuss what is advanced filter. But for now, you can just simply select few products and just click on edit all. Once you click, then they will show you these type of dashboard. Over there, you can see what types of operation we can perform in batch process. So we can update and delete product attribute, assign product to a category, catalog, unassign product from catalog category, copy product, delete product, modify price, lock products, unlock product. So for now, we can just click on update and delete products and press next. In this page, they will ask you currently no attribute select, click select. So here is a link, you can just click on it and select the attribute which you want to be modify or update. For now, I just select any attribute. So the attribute available here. You can modify anything over here. You can add more. You can remove this attribute as well. Let's add one more. Here you can see. This time I select description. So description is a localized attribute. Localized means you can define value based on local, whatever local your sites contain. You can select that local and modify text based on that. For currently in default, we are adding testing default. And if I change the local and click on United States and I add test US and we wanna just click on finish and go to batch process. In batch process, you can see the item which is in progress. If you refresh it, will take a bit time to modify. Once it's complete, then you can just verify inside the product. Your data will be updated. Thanks for watching.